Hello friend, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to approach the give-way sign and stop sign, because most of students they get fail for the stop sign because they don't stop completely on stop sign. So in stop sign you must have to stop your car completely and wait for 3 seconds, then you go. And give-way sign you don't have to stop. You need to stop only if any car is coming, then you need to give way. Otherwise you can slow down and go straight. So I will show you how to approach. So let's start now. So as I'm going to approach you the give way sign first, so make sure you look at the signboards on the road. So as I can see, there is a give way sign and I'm turning left from there. So I need to give signal left and give way sign. If I can see the view from far, I can see, look at on my right side, I am turning left. No one is coming, so I don't need to stop there. I just slow down and move off. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to approach to the stop sign. In the stop sign, don't look at on your left and right side before you approach the stop sign. So what I advise you, as I'm turning left from the stop sign, as you can see stop sign just behind the tree. So I must stop my car first fully, total stop, then I look left and right. If safe, then I move. So I need to wait at least 3 seconds and fully stop my car. Don't keep moving your car. You need to stop your car, total stop. Then you look your left and right where you have to go, and then you proceed. So make sure for the stop sign you must have to stop your car totally. So friends, I'm just going to show you on the whiteboard. So as you can see on my right hand side, I made a give way sign, and my left hand side I made a stop sign. So I'll start with the give way sign. So for the give way sign, when you're approaching to the give way sign, so if you're able to see on the road, if you have a good view, start to look when you're around 50 meters away and approach slowly, slow down. And if you can see, example, I'm turning left there. So if there is no one coming from your right hand side, you just need to look on your right hand side and turn left. Same when you're turning right from give way sign, same when you're able to see the good view, if you can see there is no car coming and you're turning right. So in this situation, you need to look at on your right side and your left hand side, because you turning right, so you're crossing this lane and then you're going to there. So look at on your right hand side and left hand side. If no one coming, then you straight away can go. You don't need to stop the car. Now different scenario. If you're going to same give way sign, if you're able to see someone is coming on the road, then you stop your car here. Then you wait for the safe cab and then you can turn left or right. So now stop sign. So in the stop sign, what happens students do? They don't stop on the stop sign. What the reason? Example, they going straight and examiner say end of the street, turn right. So they start to look stop sign and they looking the road same time. So if no one coming, they don't stop and they straight away turn left or turn right according to the instruction. And they get immediate terminate fail, because in the stop sign you must have to stop your car, complete stop. Then you look left and right where you have to go. So what I advise, whenever you're approaching the stop sign, go straight. Don't look at left or right wherever you have to go. First go straight and make complete stop. Complete stop. Then 1, 2, 3 count. Then if they ask you to turn right, look at both sides of the road, because when you're turning right, same, you need to cross this street and you need to go there. So if no one there, then you proceed to the right. And same, if they ask you to turn left, you go complete stop first. Don't look at. If you're looking, you must gonna do mistake. That first student do, they'll start to looking left and right where they have to go and they don't stop the car. So whenever you approach the stop sign, don't try to look left and right, because you must have to stop. So go straight Do complete stops, start counting 1, 2, 3, and now I'm turning left. So I see on my right side, if no one coming, safe cab, and I turn left. So that's the way I explain to my student. Follow that step when they facing stop or give a sign. I hope you like this video and learn about how to approach give way and stop sign. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video, and see you in next video. Bye.